So I was constructing the bird bath waterfall. I get to play with it some more because I tore a hole in the liner. Crap. So I will be getting that done sometime this week because these birds love us. With LED backlit, it'll be fun too. Stay tuned on that one. Getting some grass in here. Then back here will be another couple waterfalls and lower water feature around the fire pit. Get some clover planted for the deer up there because we love our animals. As I finish the porch, this will be fun. Stay tuned. Red Wing is beautiful.